we got back to Ho Chi Minh, just chilled out, only did a crocheting, I did my painting, which you can see when it's finished, which it didn't quite finish. And we're about to get on a 17-hour train from Ho Chi Minh to Da Nang on our way to Hoi An for some special stuff, which will be quite cool to show you. But yeah, 17 hours on a train, got a bottle of water and some nuts. This is going to be interesting. So expect the next several minutes of vlog to be acoustic, if you will. It'll be night but train window stuff. Better get on, we've only got 10 minutes left. We've got to find our berth. So, this is the Vietnamese sleeper carriage. A little bit cozier than the Thai one. Yeah, look. It's very loud. It's been not too bad, has it? The beds are pretty comfortable. It's not as cold as the Thai train, nowhere near. So socks, yeah, jumper, yeah, but you're not going to be freezing to death like you are on the overnight sleeper in Thailand. We've got like 15-20 minutes before we get into Da Nang. Luckily we've got a driver coming picking us up from the train station. It's going to be a whole like sign thing, which will be very cool. It's very bouncy. I'm going to go ass over tit in a minute. But it is a beautiful, beautiful ride. Rice paddies, lotus fields, some mountains in the distance. It's really, really cool. So I highly recommend taking the train if you can. But we need showers, food, coffee. Da Nang, first stop. A few special things planned for Hoi An. So after we just about managed to escape the deluge as we got into Hoi An, it was absolutely bucketed down when we got to the accommodation. Went out for something to eat, I walk around the old town, that's beautiful. Didn't bring the camera, it was raining and to be honest, couldn't be bothered. I was tired. Well, we've come down to the night market now, have a walk around, check it out. So Hoi An night market's quite famous, got quite a lot in it and it's busy. Pretty busy. Should we see what we can see? Yeah. Have a wander. Okay, travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you Groovy Cats next time.